the end results of our apple pie cake. This is what I want to show you, how beautiful it turned out. And this is just great for the harvest days. Yes, indeed. It's got the apples, and it's like that cake right there, y'all. It is beautiful, y'all. It tastes good, smells good, and I taste it. I taste the ooey gooey on top, and it tastes fabulous. I want to try this for the feast days. Look at that. It is so good. We're going to cut a piece and let you see what it looks like. This is great for the fall and harvest days.